As AI advances faster than any technology the world has ever seen, every organization is scrambling to lay the foundation that will propel their business into this new era. But current data centers weren't designed with AI in mind. So how do you deploy modern AI using what you have while scaling for future needs? The Cisco IT team took it as a challenge.
Being able to build out an AI infrastructure, it's super exciting. It's cutting edge stuff.
When our data centers were built, AI was just a buzzword. The existing data centers were not built for AI workloads.
One of the biggest hurdles we had to overcome was figuring out how to meet the power demands of an AI infrastructure. Trying to figure this out from scratch, it would have taken 18 to 24 months. We didn't have that time. The business needed that AI infrastructure now. And so we had to look for alternatives. We built the AI infrastructure in a separate facility, and we replicated the data from the existing production data centers to this facility where we house the AI infrastructure.
You have to bring the data to the AI, and it needs to be high throughput and low latency. So you want the data right there so that it can be processed immediately.
We designed the heart of this AI infrastructure with best-in-class GPUs, Cisco UCS compute, and Cisco networking.
We delivered the AI cluster in 3 months from start to finish.
As more use cases were added each week and more clusters were added, the Cisco IT team needed to make it easier to manage.
Nexus Dashboard turned out to be a good solution, one tool to operate both our traditional data center facilities as well as our AI infrastructure.
It dramatically streamlined operations and helped us grow for the future.
This was more than just solving a single challenge. It was the beginning of Cisco's journey to scale its data centers for AI.
This AI infrastructure supports more than 25 use cases across the business, and more are being added each week.
This was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. When do you get to work on a key technology that's going to fundamentally change the world?
I feel a lot of pride. The team rose to the occasion and delivered this infrastructure in a matter of months.